Hi, I'm John Garissi, Vice President of Food Safety and Quality at Fresh Express. At Fresh Express, we believe in being the best in all we do, and food safety and quality are at the top of that list. Our teams strive each day to prove to our customer partners and our loyal consumers that the Fresh Express difference is tangible, measurable, and deeply embedded in our culture. In short, Fresh Express is dedicated to delivering the highest quality, safest, and most inspired products at the greatest value.
It takes real commitment to safety and continuous improvement to guarantee fresh, quality salads to be served on our customers' table. We follow all of FDA's Food Safety Modernization Act requirements and have designed a system to prevent and mitigate against potential problems during the entire salad making process. From the way raw material is received at the plant to how it's handled and treated with care till it's packed and leaves our facility, we put emphasis on safety and quality. Our workers have been specially trained and periodically must undergo refresher courses. Water is tested by a third party on a regular scheduled basis to make sure it meets and exceeds all chemical and microbial standards.
Our manufacturing lines and work floor are completely washed and sanitized every day. We have invested in physical contamination prevention equipment, including metal detectors and optical sorters. On our salad kit lines, we have installed a camera system to read the film barcode and individual master pack codes to match the film with the master pack. This guarantees that the appropriate master pack is dropped into the correct salad kit bag.
We have also improved our product traceability process by adding a scanner to provide quick real-time information of all raw material used in our products.
Fresh Express's unprecedented commitment to food safety has earned professional accolades, including the highest honor from the International Association for Food Protection, the Black Pearl Award for Corporate Excellence in Food Safety. At Fresh Express, there isn't a single practice, procedure, action, or decision that doesn't put food safety first and foremost. It's embedded in our company's culture from the top down. We truly live our motto, food safety, it starts with us.